Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle, Chartbully, back with another video. This is the Forex analysis for May the 4th, 2021. Hope everybody had a great day. Hope everybody's taking care of themselves, mentally and physically. Today we had some good moves in the market. Pretty much everything played out the way I expected it to. But we have some good setups for tomorrow. I think I did add a few pairs upon request, so I do have Bitcoin and US30 that I'll be going over. If it's your first time with me, I do these Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I keep on short, concise, and straight to the point. It seems simple, but there's a lot that goes into it. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to me. The best way is through Gmail. Gmail's down in the description. And also you can message me on Telegram sometimes too. So real quick, shout out to Cameron. He sent me an email with some kind words. I appreciate it. Salute to you, man. I'm glad everything is I'm glad these videos are helping you out, helping you see the market better. And yeah, we're definitely gonna make something happen. All right, so let's get into it. Let's start with gold. Right now we can't get past this right here. We're trying to get to the 1800s, but we're just not getting there. I thought we would get there today. We had a shallow run. If you can see, the small wick did get above these three right here, but you know, they're still holding price right there. So right now, man, we're just trapped. So we're just trapped right here, and we're trapped right here. So we're in a range. I mean, it's gold, so it could break either way. I did think we were gonna get there yesterday, but regardless, we still might. Me personally, I'm still playing it for bullish, but honestly, this is going to be a trade what you see pair, just because the swings are so volatile with gold. You want to just get in and get out. So get in at your price points that I'm going to go over, and then get out. So we go to the H1. Let's zoom out some. So we can see price, like I said, did reject right here. We're just stuck in a range, bouncing up and down, back and forth. Really, the safest way to play this is just to trade the ranges. Is, you know, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. But I still think it's going to break this point and zoom up towards 1800. I haven't checked the news, so maybe there's some news this week that could give us the juice that we need to fuel to get past that. All right. And even though we had a bearish day, real quick, the analysis for the buy was still good, so I'm gonna show you why. So you can see this is from, these boxes are from yesterday's analysis. So we had our fib, right, and our point was, this was today, so like down here to up here. And where's the box at? Equilibrium to buy zone, right? You see the W right here, right on the equilibrium. This is what I'm saying. You guys have to just take note. So price came to equilibrium, bounced off. We're in the right session, so we're in New York session, right? Price is in our range. We're in the box. We're in the equilibrium, the buy zone, and then price shoots up, right? Where does it go to? Right here at the top, at the range high, aka the low risk sell zone. So shift right here. Then we got the strong drop right here, right? So you could have caught this either way. So you could have caught this going up. And like I said, with gold, you don't want to hold gold for this. Let's say you got in like right here. I mean, that's still 100 pips. Usually I say get out, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. And then just get your money and run. The main benefit is gold is that it's going to cash you out quick. Besides that, there's really no benefit to trading it because it's very volatile. The swings are heavy. So if you need to just aim for a dollar amount or a pip amount. If your goal is to get 25 pips and get out, then just do that. There's really no reason to keep holding it. Take profit off the table, you know, take partial profits, set the break even, and just let it run, you know. But yeah, just to show you, man, like the fib settings work. You can see right in the box, it came there, boom, went up, and then we got the move right on the range high to the low risk sell zone. Okay, so for tomorrow, same thing. Let me adjust the fib real quick if I can click it. There we go. So from low to high, it's going to be pretty much the same range almost, but I still think we're in a, it's bouncing up and down, so it's just a trade what you see, but I will still play it. My play would still be to break the highs. So let's look for moves right here. Buy zone, low risk buy zone, W, stop, hunt, railroad tracks, things like that. Okay. All right. EU. We got another day of retracement. Right now it's looking like it's probably going to break this point. It could bounce up. I mean, it can bounce up. I'm not gonna say it's not, because if you see right here, it did stop, and we do have a swing high that's formed. So there's really no confirmed buys for this one. I mean, it's looking bearish, and if we go to like a weekly, you can see another swing high is getting formed even on the weekly. So it's looking bearish, which makes sense because we did have a big bull run. So it could be price dropping down just to reprice itself to go back up later, but we do have some points, aka right here and right here, where price could come to and then just shoot up. Okay, so my advice for gold is trade what you see right now. I mean EU, sorry, not gold. EU looking bearish, but you know, just take note that it could bounce off this daily support right here. Okay, H1, let's see if we get a better idea. So right now we have this was a strong market structure shift. So what that means is price did not make another higher low, it made a lower low, so thus price shifted down, and we could be looking at another lower high going into tomorrow. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We are bearish right now, so it's not confirmed though until it breaks this point. It's not confirmed until we break these. Once price breaks below this, then we're definitely confirmed bearish for probably the next day as well. Okay, let's bring the fib out. If we're looking for shorts, which it looks like we are, let's go ahead and get our ranges. And these ranges are very important, guys. Just you have your daily range, but inside the daily range, you want to know what price is doing in between that. So this is why the fib is important. So low to high, let's zoom in some. We're looking for a move up, and as you can see, price is already kind of moving up in Asia. We're looking for a move sell zone, low risk sell zone preferably, and we want it to hold this right here. So we wanted to hold this mark just for market structure purposes, give us another lower high, and then see if we can run this price down to 1.19990. Okay, so that's EU. We're looking for shorts. Gold 50-50, but leaning towards buys. GU, let's go to the daily first. GU is kind of all over the place. Down, up, down, up. I mean, we have equal lows right here, so I'm staying off of GU right now. So yeah, that's pretty much my analysis, is that I'm staying off GU right now. But let's look at the weekly so we get a better picture. I mean, we have all these rejections right here, so it's kind of the same situation as gold. I would like to see that resistance get broken eventually, and if we look on the daily, it has been rejecting at the low, so I don't see a reason why they would come all the way back down to take these out when they could have already did it. So let's call buys right now for GU, and let's see if H1 gives us any better picture. We did get a move right here off this order block, and if you're not familiar with what that means, that just means the last down candle before a big up move. Okay, so right here it hit and gave us a nice uptrend right here. So yeah, I'm gonna lean towards buys because we definitely have targets right here that we can hit. So let's do that. I like to give you guys a bias and not just say it could go down or up. I like to give you definitive bias because you need to have a bias when you trade. Otherwise, just don't do it. Okay. So fib range, let's bring that out. And it's kind of a small range, but all right. So let's look for a stop hunt low. This might come in New York. We might get a move up in London, then a drop, and then, you know, like a W in New York session. So let's look for it to hold this low, and let's see if we get a move in the buy zone. Okay. All right, Bitcoin. I have not looked at Bitcoin in a while. All right, let's see what's going on here. So clearly we've been in an uptrend. I'm looking right here. We had a swing low, and I always look for my swing points on dailies, just so you know. That's just a better and easier way for me to determine bearish and bullish, because I mean, you can zoom out and it looks all the way like a buy, but then in between that, you know, you have your retracement. So I like looking for my swing points right here. So I'm leaning towards bearish. We have a lower high to the left, lower low to the left, lower low to the right, excuse me. And we have some targets right here, actually, that we can target for sells. So let's go to the H1. And yeah, price bounced off of here. And look at the market structure right here. So you can see how each structure is giving us a nice pin, then a drop, okay? And we have equal lows right here, which means lots of liquidity and money and things that price likes to run, right? So yeah, I'm definitely leaning towards another bearish day on Bitcoin. Let's go to our fib range and let's pull that out. Let's go right here, and we're definitely going to be looking for, it's already kind of moving up. Let's see if we get a move in the sell zone, and honestly for me it needs to hold this. So really, like, what's that, 56, 27, 20? Yeah, we like somewhere like right here. We need to see like a nice stop hunt and some drops, okay? And then we can target these lows right here. All right. US 30. This is nothing but a buy. I don't trade it, but I already knew it's been pushing up forever. So there's no ceiling, so just keep buying. I mean, that's really all it comes down to. We did have a little resistance right here, but price is already broken through that, so that's really not an issue. And the candles are kind of consolidating, so once we do get a drop, it's going to be pretty vicious. This all seems artificially inflated, to be honest, so we'll see what happens. H1 is, yeah, we just have a range right here. Just right here and right here is really our range. So if you're going to make a move, look for buys, but if you're not sure, I would just sell the top and buy the bottom of the daily range, or this H1 range right here. And also we had a nice V spike right here as well. Okay. And yeah, you can call this an OB as well, because down candle and then a strong up move, okay? So yeah, keep buying this. Let's make a nice range. This could change because Asia range could change, but as of right now, this is what I'm going to put it as. And same thing as usual, we're looking for a drop into equilibrium to buy zone. We wanted to see hold this low, and you know, see if we get a move in New York session around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time for US 30. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I'm going to put. You should have already saw. I'm gonna put some of my trades that I did today on gold. I do take my own signals, guys, so this is why we don't call it signals, because once you can do the analysis and follow through, you know, you can be your own signal service, okay? But that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoy the analysis. If you enjoyed it, please feel free, or I would appreciate it if you would subscribe, like the channel, leave a comment, share. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the analysis. If you differ, if you have other thoughts in mind, let me know. I love to comment and talk to you guys. I am going to be dropping the gold breakdown this week as well. I haven't got to it yet, but I am going to break that down and just show you guys how I mainly scalp it. Honestly, how I mainly scalp gold and what I see and what you could do to possibly help you profit as well. But that's going to be it. It's your boy Kyle. It's boy Kyle the Chart Bully. It's late. I'm sorry. I'll holler at you guys next time. Stay safe. Much love. Peace.